Sawadee-ka guys, I'm currently in Krabi, which is in the southern part of Thailand. I'm gonna take a day trip to the Phi Phi Islands, which is one of the most touristic attractions here in Krabi to do. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'm currently waiting on a Grab. The time is 7:38. I have to be at a meeting point at 7:45, but it's okay. It's like a 2-minute drive, so it'll be fine. Right guys, after a short 5-minute ride, we arrived here from the meeting point to another meeting point. So I think this is where we will take the boat to the Phi Phi Islands. This is like the pier. So the time is currently, let me show you guys, almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys, I'm currently at the first stop of the Phi Phi Island tour, and the first stop is Maya Bay. This beach was made famous because of the movie called The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Let me show you guys around. So you're not allowed to swim because they want to protect the coral. And there are also some baby sharks swimming around. That's what I've been told, so but it's still cool to walk around here. We can do a lot of swimming and snorkeling later. Isn't this place just amazing? Let's walk up closer to these rocks. Give them a little touch for some good luck. If you're lucky, you might spot a crab. Damn. So this tour agency does Maya Bay as the first stop, which means it's a little bit more quiet than when you do this at the last, like all the other tours. So you can imagine later this day, this whole section here will be filled up with tourists and, you know, even locals who just want to give Maya Bay a visit. All right, let me give you guys a close-up from the left side. So there is where you walk in. And then you have this beautiful thing over here. It's getting more crowded and crowded.
Feels like we are hitting the sand.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, little baby.
Baby's going to mom. The little one. You see it? Oh my god. It's so little.
All right guys, next stop, we arrived at the beach. Let me show you guys. That is our boat. We're gonna have some lunch over here.
Winston is you cannot eat seafood, right?
Yeah, yeah.
One refill.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we have fried rice with egg, We have stir fry chicken with cashew nut and pad thai.
Thank you.
Chicken curry with potato.
Thank you.
Wow. You've also been all over.
I kind of have.
Yeah. Like mainly like a lot in Southeast Asia or just all over, all over?
Oh.
That's pretty good. This trip I started in.
A few moments later.
What's up, guys? I'm back in my hotel. Don't mind my hair, like always. I just took a shower, washed my hair. It's all soft and fluffy right now. So anyway, that tour was fucking amazing, but I'm so tired. It's now 5 o'clock. I got back at 4 o'clock back at the hotel. They dropped me off. I forgot to record, so I was just chilling in bed for 1 hour. Man, I don't even know if I'm gonna go outside anymore today, because tomorrow I have to wake up early again to take the boat to Koh Lanta. But yeah, something I wanted to say. So my highlight of the tour was snorkeling. There were 2 snorkeling spots where we went to. The first one was the second one was fucking amazing. I think one of the best, if not the best snorkeling spot that I've ever been to. There were like corals, there were so many fish. There were like what's the animal called? It was like a big black this is gonna sound weird. It was like a sea urchin, I think. I'm not sure if it's sea urchin, but it was like a big black fish slash ball. It was just chilling on the ground next to the coral, and there were like spikes coming out. Is that sea urchin? I'm not sure. But anyway, that was fun, and I tried to record it, but my camera, I couldn't press the camera button, which was very weird. And then afterwards, when I came back to the boat, I took my camera out of the water bag and there was water inside. Oh my god, fucking hell. So that was fucked up, but it's fixed. But that was at the first snorkeling spot, and then at the second one I thought I'm not gonna risk it. So guys, show my channel some love and support. I promise you, if I get enough money with the views and stuff, I'm gonna buy a GoPro, and then I can film everything underwater. That will be fucking amazing, because trust me, whatever I saw underwater, that was, oh my god, that was so amazing. Like, I wish I could have shown you guys, but just know I had a really good time. So like I said, I'm just gonna maybe take a nap or just chill in bed, and then I will see if I go outside again. You know, maybe go outside for some food. I can also order food, and then yeah, that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys at the next one. Peace. What's up, guys? Just got back to my hotel room. So I did go out. I met someone during the day tour to Phi Phi Islands today. She's also solo traveling here. She's from Brazil. So we just went out for some food. After that, walked along the beach, talked some stuff, life related stuff, and now I'm back. I think I forgot to show you guys my hotel room. So I'm gonna give you a tour, and then I'm gonna end the video because the time is now just past 11:30. I woke up super early today at 6:45, and I need to get up early tomorrow. So suitcase is here. This is the entrance. All right, got the airco control here. Got my pair of shoes here, my other pairs of shoes here. Here's a mirror, which is also a door. And got the toilet. Got a sink, mirror. This is the shower. Got a shower here. Got a painting over here, or it's more like a whatever it is. What else do we have? Got my jacket over here. Fridge. Still got some fruit here that I bought yesterday. This is called dragon fruit. I like it. I don't ever see this in the Netherlands, so when I'm in Asia, I just like to buy the stuff that we don't have in the Netherlands. Hair dryer, towels. So they give 2 colored towels. One is for indoor use, so here in the bathroom, and one is for outdoor use, for the pool outside, which I will also show you. This is a desk with all kinds of stuff, chair. Like I said, got my suitcase here. Got my camera equipment here. Got everything nice here in a small box. Portable charger. I don't know why I'm keeping this, but this is from the Siam festival. I don't know, just a nice souvenir. The bed. I think I say this in every hotel tour, but the bed is very comfy. There are 2 different types of pillows. One is this one is a smaller one. The smaller one is super comfy. One of the best pillows I've ever had. So if you ever come here, take the small one. What else do we have? TV. Here's a door, but if you open it, it's another door which I can't open. So it might be connected to the other room here next to me, that maybe before it was like a bigger room and now they changed it in 2 separate rooms. Or maybe if you book the 2 rooms that you can open it, and then, you know, for families who chill together, you can just walk through the door here. All right, so this is the balcony. I kind of like the balcony. It's a nice place to sit down. So got some chairs. So there is actually the reception at the other building, and I'm staying in this building. And each building has its own pool. So they have a pool over there, and we have our own pool here. As you can see, it's very long pool. I swam yesterday and it was a very nice pool. So, and I think that's everything I need to show. There's also a gym. Is it upstairs or downstairs? It's a gym downstairs on the 3rd floor. I'm staying on the 4th floor. I will show you some video clips of that. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower again, and then hop in the bed, watch some YouTube stuff. My camera is tripping. And then set my alarm, and then wake up early and take the ferry to Koh Lanta. Very excited for that. Also excited for something that I'm gonna do on Saturday, which is in 2 days. Going to a animal welfare sanctuary. So it's a place where animals are sheltered. I think it's only dogs and cats, but I booked the tour, so I'm gonna have a fun afternoon or morning. It's at 10:30 with dogs and cats who need some extra love. So I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I enjoyed my day, even though it was a very long day. I'm super tired, but it was all worth it. Thank you guys for watching. See you at the next video. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.